Make this amazing cylinder chart. First, apply this formula to get percentage in your data. Now select the All Data. And go the Insert and select 3D Cylinder. Click the chat and unselect the All selection. Now select the data towers and go to Format Data Series and select Solid Fill and change color to white. And go to Series option and select Cylinder and change the settings. Now select cylinder and each cylinder change different color. Select main chat area and go to the chat option and change Y rotation to 15% and X rotation to 0%. Go to Format and change All Outline. Right-click on cylinder and select Add Data Label 1 Data. Add change font size and color. Now make each cylinder label and now you are done. Don't forget to follow and subscribe.